So everyone, take a fruit foam net, cut it like this and then roll it and then join it, and now tie it with the help of a thread and fix the yellow one inside it. Cut it from the top and put the green color stick like this by putting the leaves and make few more as such and join them, and your flower stick is ready. Take the tissue papers like this and then cut like this. Now roll them after cutting it and then put it around the yellow foam. Now take the pink color petals and put them one by one around it. Now take a green color cloth to make the stems and leaves. Now after fixing the stem, take the cloth and then fix it in the shape of a leaf like this. Now fix it like this in the shape and put the flower over it. Take a straw and then cut it like this from the between and draw the lines on it and then cut it like this very carefully. Now roll it little bit like this. Now after that make few more as such and join them. Now take these thin strips like this and then roll it and then put the yellow color paper foams on it like this. Now fix it in the between and make it stems and leaves, and your flowers are ready. Next, we'll be taking the pipe cleaners like this and then take it and cut it from the sides a little bit and tie it with the threads. Take a yellow color thread and then roll it like this. Now cut it from the side. Now fix the pink color pipe cleaners on the sides of it by putting the stems and leaves, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the thread and roll it like this around your finger and then cut it like this to make small flowers like this. Tie it with the help of a thread and put the green color cloth to make the stems and leaves, and it's ready. You can get these cloths and foams easily in the market. So next, moving forward, we'll be taking a white color cloth like this and then open it. So now roll it little bit after cutting it like this and paste it. Now take the yellow one and repeat the process like this by cutting it. Now fix them on the white one and tie it with the threads. Now fix the green color cloth over it to make the stems and leaves, and then fold it like this. Make few more as such and join them like this all together. Next, we'll be taking the pink color ribbon like this, fold it, and then we'll be cutting it like this and join them using a heat. Now fix them like this after folding it and then tie them in a shape like this one by one. Fold it to make the flower and tie it from the top. Make few more as such and keep putting them one by one over each other, and make these stems and leaves using green color stick and cloths like this. Fix it. Taking the yellow color straws like this and cut it from the between. Now fold it after cutting it like this in the shape. Now take another straw and cut it into frills like this and spread it. Now fix these sticks in the between, then put it one by one like this. Put yellow color flowers over it like this and attach all of them together, and it's ready.